Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburban Stead. My name is Rich. This video is episode 10 from the Flight Springs Ranch. Our good friend Shane acquired low desert acreage and is transforming the ranch to resort status. This episode highlights things happening at the ranch from February through July. If you like this video, click subscribe. There's always something to do at the ranch. thumbs up.
Yeah, very cool.
Weeding day at the Boot Hill Garden at the Flight Springs Ranch. So you'll see that we've got, things are growing well, irrigation's about to go in. The woody mulch has worked extremely well. Not nearly as many weeds, like look out in the desert. Just tons and tons of weeds, not too bad in here. And equally important, they were so easy to pull up. So things are looking good. We're just gonna continue to stay on this. We'll eventually, as soon as the irrigation goes in, we'll plant some summer crops.
There we go. What could go wrong?
Hey man, for whatever reason you can't get it running.
With your hand on?
Yeah. Good morning. It's the end of July. Right now I'm heading to the Flight Springs Ranch. It's really early in the morning. It's before sunrise. There's some thunderstorms in the area and some threat of monsoon today, so it's super, super muggy. Hot, muggy, and hopefully storms are on the way. I am heading to the Flight Springs Ranch this morning to see my buddy Shane. It's been a few weeks since I've seen him. We're gonna go check on how his hand is doing and what's going on at the ranch. See you in a bit.
Pay the one it was, alright?
Holy mate.
That's where the stitches came out.
what we've got here is our custom new van shelves for the pool van, the mobile pool van. So thanks for your help.
This concludes episode 10 of the Flight Springs Ranch, brought to you by the North Phoenix Suburban Stead. Thanks for watching.